A tragic incident has gripped Karnataka as the daughter of a Congress corporator was brutally murdered within the college campus, setting off political storm within the state. This tragedy is escalated into a fierce political battle between the ruling Congress and opposition BJP, deepening existing divisions within Karnataka's political landscape. While the Congress attempts to frame the incident as a personal tragedy, the BJP has raised suspicions of love jihad, pointing it to as evidence of the state's law and order situation. Hello and welcome, this is Akanksha and you're watching HW News English. Let's understand the whole incident. The horrifying incident has shaken the community as Neha Hiremath, a 23-year-old daughter of Congress councillor Niranjan Hiremath, was brutally stabbed to death on the premises of BVB College in Hubbally, Dharwad. The tragic event unfolded on Thursday, April 18th, around 5 p.m., when Neha was walking within the college campus. Fayaz, her former classmate, confronted her, leading to a verbal exchange captured by the CCTV cameras. Shockingly, Fayaz then attacked Neha, stabbing her at least 9 times. As the assailant fled the scene, some students persuaded him, leading to his arrest by the police. Reports revealed that Fayaz and Neha had a prior relationship, as Fayaz claimed during interrogation that Neha had been avoiding him recently. Neha was a first-year master of computer applications, tragically became a victim to this violent encounter. The motive behind the attack is still under investigation. The heinous crime has sparked outrage not only in Hubbally, Dharwad, but also in Fayaz's hometown of Munawali, Belagavi district. Various organizations have come together to denounce the murder, staging demonstrations to demand justice for Neha and to condemn such acts of violence. Youth protests begin. Protests have erupted across the state, led by BJP student wing Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad (ABVP), along with their Hindutva-affiliated organizations. These demonstrations calling for justice and severe punishment for the perpetrators have resonated in the various parts of Karnataka. The campus murder has triggered widespread outrage, particularly among the students, with ABVP leading the charge of justice. Thousands have taken to streets, staging demonstrations that have disrupted normal life, including road blockages and calls of college shutdown in Hubbally. War of words over love jihad and political blame game has begun. Love jihad, a phrase popularized by Hindutva organizations to denote the relationship between a Muslim man and a non-Muslim woman, where the Muslim partner wishes to convert the non-Muslim. Union Minister and Dharwad Lok Sabha BJP candidate Prahlad Joshi suspected that there was a love jihad angle behind the incident. Union Minister Prahlad Joshi said, and I quote, "This is an unfortunate incident and I have believed there is an angle of love jihad in this. When the girl refused the guy's advances, she was murdered under the Congress government. Law and order is not there." However, Home Minister G. Parameshwara has contested these claims, stating that according to available information, Neha and the accused were in a consensual relationship. Parameshwara dismissed the notion of love jihad, proposing instead that assailant's actions stem from the fear of Neha's marrying someone else. He cautioned against politicizing such tragedies, urging to focus on a proper investigation and adherence to the law. Parameshwara criticized BJP for exploiting the incident for political gains, emphasizing government's commitment to addressing such crimes impartially and according to legal procedures. He stressed the importance of allowing law enforcement agencies to conduct thorough investigations based on evidence rather than succumbing to political pressure. Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said personal reasons were behind the murder. However, this explanation has sparked sharp reactions from the Neha's family and opposition parties. Former Chief Minister Basavaraj Bommai, a BJP leader, expressed shock over the unprecedented nature of the crime, highlighting that such daylight murder on a college campus with knife had never occurred in Hubbally before. He called for a high-level inquiry, criticizing the local police's handling of the case and accusing the government of adopting a political stance. Bommai's remarks were echoed by the state BJP chief, B.Y. Vijayendra, who held the Congress responsible for deteriorating the law, order and situation since coming to the power. Vijayendra emphasized the need for accountability and criticized the government for failing to instill sense of fear and law among the criminals. In response, Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivkumar reaffirmed the government's commitment to ensure the justice through legal channels, rejecting allegations of political interference in the investigation. He asserted that law would take its course and emphasized the government's firm stance against the criminal behavior. The differing accounts of the motive behind Neha's murder, with the police initially stating rejection of love proposal, later suggesting a consensual relationship, have added to the controversy. This discrepancy has fueled accusations of political maneuvering and raised concerns about the impartiality of the investigation. As tensions escalate and emotions run high, Neha's tragic death has become a focal point for broader discussions about law, enforcement, governance, and accountability in Karnataka. That's all for this news report. Till then, keep watching HW News English and download our app HW News Shorts for the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.